So why is it that things always go wrong when they shouldn't be going wrong? So now the burner doesn't start, so hopefully it is not a defect that I can't fix. But let's open it up anyway. So I think I will run with this one. It's an old heating system, so okay. So I'm going to take off this tube here so I can get actually to the electrodes and to the jet that is spraying the diesel out. All right. So here we have the electrodes, and they are going to arc and then ignite the diesel. So maybe I need to adjust them a little bit. All right. That should be about right where they sit. So let's see if they actually arc or not. So that's good. So they should be able to ignite it now. And I think that's the right distance. Initially, they were arcing toward the jet, and I didn't show you that. Now, the next thing up is going to be cleaning it up a bit and see if we're going to get some fire. But I will have to put the funnel up so I have the airflow. Otherwise, this is not going to work. Okie dokie. So let's give it a try and see. Now that ignited my cleaning fluid. I didn't allow yet diesel to come in because otherwise it's going to spray all over the place here. So I'm going to fit it back into the burner, and then we'll see how that goes. I will reset the alarm. Let's give it another try. That didn't spray yet. So let's see why that is. I'm going to see if we have a wet nozzle. And we got plenty of diesel coming out, so that is good. I'm going to give it a try with the whole unit out of the burner or the kettle itself. But that may spray mazout all over the place, which I hope it doesn't. So I'm going to hold it up. And as you can see, I'm having a bucket there. So I will see if we're getting diesel in there or not. Now it's just running, igniting. So you see the diesel coming out, but it doesn't really ignite it. So I think either I have too much air, which is blowing it out, or there's something else wrong. So what I've seen so far is that I have actually sparks and I have actually diesel coming out. So I know the oil pump works or the diesel pump works. I also know that the relay is working, that can block the flow. And I know the high voltage transformer is working. And I also know that we have sparks. So all it can be now is just an adjustment in terms of how much air comes through and settings over here in the front. But I think I did set them right now. So we're going to give it another try, but I'm going to put it back because I don't want to spoil the whole place with a mazout smell. Although this is just my man cave, you know, it smells too bad and too long with diesel. So let's give it a try and see. I'm going to give it a little bit less air. That might help. Let's see if we will get this thing to run. And right now it's not igniting the fuel yet, but we'll see. Yes, it does ignite. And it burns already reasonably well. I might have adjusted a little bit. I'm looking through the little hole here so I can see what the flame is doing. So I'm going to turn up the thermostat a bit higher so the burner kicks back in and hopefully it works. And I can feel the hot air, so that is pretty good. And I can actually feel it out there as well. And I can feel the heat coming down out of the tubes. And that is really, really nice to have because now the whole place is warmed up again. And the burner keeps on running properly. It just restarted again, which is a good thing to have.